Yeah, y'all. So we out here, Cartagena. You know, still in the spot. Headed to Getsemani. We gonna hit Getsemani. What's up?
The little scooters, man.
Where they at?
I don't know. We just saw them sitting in the crash on one. They gotta be somewhere farming around here.
So, just left the spot, Casa Pombo. And as you see, the clock tower's behind me. Y'all can see that.
Hola, my colo.
Let me turn this active tracking off. There you go. So, clock tower behind us. So we're headed to a neighborhood adjacent of the clock tower called Getsemani. Getsemani. So, you know, historic. Supposed to be real beautiful. We're gonna check it out. It's a place over there that was recommended, Cafe Havana. So I'll let y'all know about that. But this Cartagena, man, it's hot as hell out here. So keep that in mind. If
88.
Man, 88 degrees right now. And
Bring your linens.
Bring your linens, as you see, you know, linen down, you dig?
I got the guns out.
If you do go out to the islands, definitely have your sunscreen. Because the last time we was out here, we was burnt the fuck up. So, but I'm gonna bring more to y'all. I'm gonna flip the camera around, let y'all see. You know, like I said. Down here in Getsemani, and you know, if y'all looking for, you know, the party atmosphere and nightlife and all that, obviously you see it's the daytime. You know, it's about, damn, I ain't got my watch on me. So it's about 1 o'clock in the daytime, you know, so you're not gonna see a whole lot of people out, but man, like architecture, it's beautiful. It's different. It's different. Out here, y'all, it's like it reminds you of New Orleans. It's a New Orleans feel from like the Spanish and all that, the old school, but it's like just brighter, maybe a little cleaner. You're not smelling piss everywhere like you would, you know. Shout out to New Orleans. I love y'all, but damn. So check it out. So this is how I look out here. Central Commercial, Getsemani. Look at it. Y'all see the sign here?
Look at that on the Euro dope.
Mm-hmm.
That tells you a whole lot right there, Steve.
No doubt. Look at this one. Look at this one right here. All right, so still in Getsemani, checking it out, and it's different. It's beautiful out here. It's colorful, you know. And like I said, it give you that New Orleans vibe, except without all the piss, without a lot of homelessness. Have y'all seen much homelessness? Not a lot, right? And here, let me let y'all check this out. You know? So these are the vibes. Got a little jazz playing, you know? Vegetation. It's dope. It's dope. Casa Coco, Colonial House.
The access there.
Bueno, dile que bebe.
What y'all think? Do y'all think this is somewhere that y'all may want to visit? You know, this is just one little street in the neighborhood of Getsemani.
You're a New Yorker. So how long you been living here, bro?
Look like we just ran into a gringo.
Right?
Somebody from the States. It look like they got a little shop
So you
playing
got
some
this-
jazz, y'all.
You hear my man right here, bro?
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
He said he been coming for 20 years. He been living here for the last 4 years.
Yeah, back and forth, yep.
Yeah?
Spent my whole winter.
What's your name, brother?
I'm Sly.
Sly. I'm Sam, baby.
Come inside.
He invite you in, man. Yeah, they showing that. Get his artwork here.
This is the house.
Oh, that is it.
So what this is.
This the one that he sent us. One of the ones.
Oh yeah, I remember saying it. The House of the Bull.
Torres Bull right here.
Yeah, that's in the Toro.
America got you locked up.
This straight is, dude.
It's right here. America got you enslaved. That's what it means. Black.
Yeah.
America got you enslaved, brother.
You play pool? Yeah, you know. This is Getsemani.
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 Getsemani. Getsemani or
Getsemani.
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 Good afternoon.
Dope, right?
Yeah. Buenas tardes.
Buenos tardes? Getsemani, buenos tardes.
Getsemani.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Oh, my bad. You say
Buenas tardes.
buenos tardes.
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 Buenos tardes. Getsemani, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Getsemani neighborhood in Cartagena, Colombia. Y'all definitely got to come down here and check this out, man. It's so vibrant, colorful, beautiful. Just a great vibe.
I want to see the oldest street from Getsemani.
So, you know, it's early. It's the daytime, and, you know, it's just a really live neighborhood. Getsemani is dope, y'all. It's dope.
Hello.
We out here.
Hello. Hello. Pero mira aguantar, revisa aguantar, no te preocupes, revisa aguantar.
So you had one of those days when the world don't give you no grace. You'd rather fly away and keep on going higher, but they keep dragging you down. Now if you wish to spread those wings and fly, you gotta turn it around. Don't look over your shoulder, don't ever look back. No use for second opinions, don't wanna stay in the past. Just keep on going, 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 going over the top.
If you come down here and you take pictures with the colorful dress girls, you gonna pay. So be ready for that. Have some tip money, because they want some money to take a picture. And like I told y'all before, everybody's hustling. Everybody is hustling. So they're gonna try to sell you hats, they're gonna try to sell you bracelets, they're gonna try to, you know, get you to pay for pictures. So you gotta be able to say no unless you just wanna give up all your money. So keep that in mind, y'all.